What's up guys? For today's video we got my very first vlog. Hopefully this actually goes up because I don't know if I'm gonna go through with this, but it's my first time, so this is about to be all over the place. But it's another Supreme Saturday at Burn Rubber. If you watched my last video, we went up there. I kind of made like a recap video about it. So this time we're gonna be making a vlog about it. I got a bunch of stuff in the back to sell, and hopefully we're gonna see a bunch of cool stuff today, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, we officially made it here. Ooh, all my stuff's on because I couldn't bring my microphone. But we got a lot of stuff to carry in.
I don't really want to walk that far.
So yeah, I failed to mention though, audio is probably going to be trash because I didn't bring my microphone. Because I didn't want to bring this much stuff to just this because I don't know how crazy this is about to be. So let's go see what they got. Alright, so obviously I probably wasn't talking during any of that because music bumping, you couldn't hear anything so that I was saying. So hopefully you saw all that stuff that was in there. I finally got some Grail things that have been on my list forever. I got the Saki set, as you've seen, and the Motion logo, which have both been on my hit list for a very long time. So I am thrilled that I was able to get those. And I don't know what we're doing now, but yeah. Now this is a slide. So we just finished eating, as you've seen. So this is probably gonna be like the worst vlog you've ever seen on YouTube, because I'll be honest with you guys, I had no idea what I was doing. Another little recap, because I mentioned I did get the Motion logo and the Saki set. I failed to mention that I also got a new quarter zip, because if you watch a lot of the videos and like further back, I bought that quarter zip, it never really fit me, so I've been trying to side swap it for probably almost a year now, and I was able to trade them up for that. I'm thrilled out a new quarter zip, and I'm thrilled on the Motion logo. Honestly, it was a great success, even though I did not sell anything. It was sick, and I don't know what we're about to do now, but stay tuned. So we had to stop at IKEA real quick, because obviously I'm not going to be using the Saki set for what it's used for. I really want to put a flower in it, but I'm not going to put it on a live one. So we looked around. I think I'm going to go with this one. This one's so far my favorite. Alright, so we just got out of IKEA. I got the flower that I wanted for the Saki set, and just a few other things. We were looking around in there for a little bit. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here, because obviously we're not going to be doing any more hypebeast related things. So I'm going to go into the future and do a little recap of everything that I got. So we're back at the crib right now. I know I said I was gonna do like a little recap but everything, but I think we're actually gonna go towards Orlando, because the Burn Rubber thing was in Tampa, but out in Orlando at one of the malls, they have these vans. I've been on the hunt for these vans for like at least the last 3.5 months. We already called because the mall in Brandon, they had them, but not my size, so we called around. The one in Orlando has them. I think we're gonna go out there and try to get these vans. But then there's a Supreme shop out there too. I've been trying to go there since we moved here, so I think we're gonna go try to hit that place up. I'm not entirely sure what the plan is, because it's also getting hella late right now, so I don't know if we're gonna have enough time to do all of these things. I'm also wearing the Motion logo right now that I just bought. It's a little tight on me, but honestly, the price on this, I'm making it fit. I didn't know if I was gonna sell it, if I was gonna keep it. I think for time being, I'm gonna keep it for a little bit. Let me know what you guys think about this. This is probably my new Grail that I own. I love this thing. Way to make a quick little pit stop at the mall, guys, but check, I'm gonna just flip this around. I've been on the hunt for these things for like 3.5 months. I've been thinking about paying resale on them, and I'm thrilled I didn't, but check these out. Finally got these. And now we're about to be on our way to the Supreme shop right now. So as you could probably tell from like the little bit of footage I got, the store was pretty lit, but they didn't have, it was just all general release Supreme stuff. All the stuff that sits for like $40. They weren't interested in any of my stuff, which all my stuff was like worth more than all of their stuff, so I was a little confused about that. Maybe they're not buying right now, I don't know. But yeah, store was not that good. But now I'm gonna go onto the recap of everything that I was able to pick up today. What's up, guys? We are now back at the house. I'm gonna do that recap like I said. I hope you enjoyed that first vlog. I know it was my very first vlog. I don't know how much footage I got. I honestly had no idea what I was doing. So hopefully you can bear with me, and these vlogs are gonna get lit in the future if I keep doing them. So let me know in the comments down below if you actually liked it, or if I should just quit my vlogging career before it even started. But I'm just getting right into this recap. Guys, I got so much heat. This I think was better than the last one. This one, they didn't buy any of my stuff, unfortunately. I think they were more in the market of selling and trading, so they didn't buy any of my stuff, so I was a little bit upset about that, to be honest with you. So they passed on all my stuff, but I was able to get this. Look at this, is insane. I finally got the Motion logo. I feel like in a couple of videos I mentioned that the black Motion logo is like probably my Grail Supreme item, like probably the most wanted Supreme item I want, next to like the Heather box logo hoodie. Besides that, like I could not believe I got this, guys. Unfortunately, it's a medium. You can probably tell it doesn't really fit me that well, because in stuff prior to FW17, I'm a large, but in the newer stuff, I'm a medium. So this is a medium from then when I should have been a large. So you can kind of tell me it's a little tight, and I'm just gonna break it to you guys. I'm probably gonna be wearing this in a ton of videos. So you're probably gonna see me wear this a lot. So there's that. And I got it for an insane steal. Like, I feel like he may have mismarked it. He may have, I don't know, maybe he's giving it away, because when I got it, the only thing he said to me was, he's like, you know that's used, right? And I was like, dude, I don't even care. Maybe that's why it was so cheap. But like, I don't see any flaws with it other than the smell was like a little off. But like, dude, I had to flex on this. I didn't care. I was throwing it on right then and there. I threw that on as soon as I got it. Enough about the shirt though. Another thing I got, as you guys know, right here used to be sitting, was that quarter zip I had, and it never really fit me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I just threw that on for videos sometimes, and I would take it right off. So I've really never worn it for more than 5 minutes. The length just wasn't good on me. I definitely needed an XL. So I've been trying to size swap for like the last year almost on that piece. I was not able to size swap for the exact item, but he traded me my old one, if you remember, that two-tone one. He traded me for this 2016 half zip, and this one is straight flame. I did like my other one because it was really out there, but I feel like this one might be a little more wearable. It's just this heather gray with these navy stripes across it, which looks really, really nice in my opinion. I love, like, it looks really clean. The only Supreme branding is on the sleeve, and then right there it just wraps around the whole sleeve and says Supreme. Now this isn't an XL, but because it's so old, I used to wear a large in that stuff, because the newer stuff I wear like a large, and like I wear like an XL, but since this is an XL and the older stuff, I really needed a large. So it's a little big on me, but I'm still gonna wear it. I love this piece, and he was asking $250 for it, and we just straight up traded. I think it was a good trade on my part. I don't know how much this is worth. I think it's like kind of rare because I can't find it online anywhere, so I don't know how much it's worth. Maybe I got finessed, maybe I didn't. I'm gonna be able to get a lot more wear out of this one. I'd rather be bigger than smaller on me, basically. So I'm just really thrilled I got that. And then lastly, for the Supreme items, was one of my Grail accessories, and I'm sad to admit it's a Grail accessory because I purposely passed on this. I easily could have got this because the hat came out. I don't think I got anything this week. I think another accessory came out this week, but this I just purposely passed on. And then after I passed on it, I was just like, why did I do that? So I've been trying to find it for the right price, and I definitely got it for the right price. I didn't have to pay anything for it. I ended up just trading one of my old bandanas, but it's the Supreme Saki set. My camera is kind of making it look like trash, but I finally got the Saki set. I think it's brand new, probably just been used to display. I don't think like he actually used it. So excited I can finally add this to the collection. In the vlog too, I said I wanted to get a flower to put inside of it. So I might do some trimming, but I got this flower from IKEA, and I just wanted to do this. But it does look really nice, and I just want to throw this up on my shelf. Like, I am so excited I got that. Honestly, I got the heat here. This, like, I wasn't able to sell anything, so that sucked, but I got so much heat, even though it's only 3 items. I don't know why I'm saying so much, but I just got, like, things I actually wanted. The price I paid on this was insane. This was a steal for me, and then I finally got to trade up on this. I was just excited. And then another thing I got that I'm just gonna throw in was this Supreme waist bag. This is the fanny pack. I don't know why I said waist bag, but I meant to say fanny pack. This is the one from this season in the black colorway. It's a little beat up, but I got this for a great price too, because I'll be honest, you probably don't want me to tell you, but all I did was I bought my friend Cadoba, and he said I could have this. And it's a beat up, I will admit. It's a little dirty. Maybe I can like clean this up a little bit. I don't know, but it's still sick. I might steal Jacob's video and attempt. No, I don't think I can, honestly. I was gonna attempt to make the camera strap out of this, but this one's not long enough. But anyways, this is a steal of a price on this one, and this is sick. I'm definitely gonna use this. Probably the next pop-up, I'm gonna wear this one. And then lastly in the vlog, you seen we stopped at the mall. I called around because we went to the Brandon Mall and they actually had this shoe. And I have been trying to get this shoe for the last like 3.5 months. Have not been able to. It always sells out online. And then if I don't think I've actually ever seen it in person until today. And we saw it in person at the Brandon Mall. But I decided, when they didn't have it, I called the Tampa Mall, and then I called a mall out in Orlando, and they actually had it. So we put it on hold because I wasn't taking any chances. The camera is not really picking it up that great, but it's this cream old school. I don't think it had a specific name. Oh, it just says old school vintage. Yeah, I definitely get a vintage feel from this. It has the red line on it, and it's like this beat up white, and then on here the suede is like super nice. Like, I know it's just a $60 van, but this was on my Grail list. I wanted this so bad ever since I seen it. I'm be wearing this so much. I love this. Today was honestly a great day for 4 pickups because I got the fire. So I'm excited to add those to collection. But after that, as you've seen in the vlog, we went to this other Supreme store. I did get some footage inside the store, and I finally tried on Yeezys. I know that sounds really dumb of me to say that because I've never done it before, but I finally got to try them on. Finally know what size I am. I didn't buy anything though. Honestly, the prices were not good. They did not have good prices at all. I'll just be straight up. And they were interested in any of my stuff, but like I felt like my stuff was more fire than like most of their clothes that they were selling. And a lot of my pieces were worth more. Like they had like general release palace, like the shirts that sit for like $60 online. I had like my $100+ P through D logo they weren't even interested in. I'm not being salty about the situation. Their prices were not that good. So I decided not to get anything. Kind of a waste of a trip, but I did want to see what that was because I heard a lot about the store and I definitely wanted to check it out in case we move. I wanted to actually go there. So overall, today was a great day. I mean, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was my first vlog, like I said, so bear with me. Hopefully they're gonna get better in the future if I do continue them. So let me know in the comments down below if you did like the vlogs, and make sure you go check out all my other Supreme videos because I'm always unboxing Supreme, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video, and thanks again for watching.